Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, cleanse and remove any makeup, then pat skin until just slightly damp. That moisture improves absorption. Once done, dispense 1-2 drops of the Light Up Serum onto your fingertips. Make sure not to overuse it because a little covers the whole face. Gently press the product into the forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin using tapping motions, following skin texture. This primes the skin for the next steps and explains why damp skin increases penetration and efficacy. Once the serum is spread, focus on targeted zones. Tap small extra amounts into dark spots or dull patches because concentrated delivery helps correct discoloration faster. Then, use gentle upward strokes across cheeks and pull lightly along the jaw and neck. This supports circulation without stretching. Make sure to allow 60 to 90 seconds so the serum sets and bonds with the skin before adding moisturizer, sunscreen, or other actives. This step prevents pilling and ensures stable ingredient performance. Finish by sealing the serum with a moisturizer, or if daytime, apply your SPF 30 or higher. This locks benefits and protects newly receptive skin. If you notice redness or stinging, stop using the serum for 3 days and reintroduce with a patch test at a lower dose. That helps identify sensitivity. For product pilling, make sure you waited long enough, or decrease the amount of layered products. Adjusting timing and quantity solves most texture issues and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.